If you want to change your daily limit on Sundance now, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you can manage your viewing experience effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Sundance Now website or open the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen or in the main menu. Step 3. Find Daily Limit Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Adjust your daily limit. Select the option to change your daily limit. You may have the option to increase or decrease the number of hours or titles you can view daily. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, be sure to save the changes. Look for a save or confirm button to ensure your new settings are applied. Now you can enjoy your Sundance Now experience with your preferred daily limit.